Recipe for strong teeth. Ingredients. Dates 4 to 5. Water 1 glass. Procedure. Soak few cleaned dates in normal water and leave for 6 to 7 hours. Eat the dates and drink its water. Try this for thrice a week. Dates contain a variety of minerals which are good for strong teeth. This can be done by both children and adults. Comment below your thoughts about this. Subscribe our channel and turn on notifications, so you will not miss future updates from our channel. Your supports will motivate us to do more works. Give a thumbs up if you found this video informative and share with your friends and inform them. For other job vacancies and educational articles, visit witnesstv.net. We have posted 5,000 plus vacancies and more educational articles in our site. If you find them useful, share and support us. Thank you. Have a blessed day.